bought this, because some of you may have seen it already. It is a Kenwood stereo amplifier model KA-891 with some JBL speakers sold separately, but I figured it would be the day that I would retire that old Panasonic stereo with the realistic speakers. So let's get this done and see what we got. Alright, first order of business, runtime error. We'll discuss that later. We're going to power down the computer because I have to work on it and shut it down. So we'll get that done sometime today. So yeah, well, that's done. Make sure the stereo is off and we wait. And it's off. So now we go down in here to the rat's nest and literally, well, actually no, hold that thought. I'm gonna have to figure out which plug is what. So yeah, hold that thought. And I unplugged it, so at least, alright, that's done. So we can power this down and we'll go from there. Find the switch. There we go. Now the fun part. Well, first time that's been cleaned off in a while. But mainly what's going to bother me is all this dust and shit. So, and plus I got to move the television monitor. I mean, either way, this is going to require pulling this thing out, well, taking off the figures, pulling the thing out, taking out the TV. Why do I put myself through this? Ugh. Yeah. But yeah, I'm going to leave that pigtail on for the moment because I can't get it off, but here's the connections from the computer audio. Set that there. And the cable and the speaker wires, I need to remember which is what, so okay. Gold is red and silver is black. Seems legit. Okay. That's disconnected. Set these aside so they don't topple behind the desk. Take this cord out. And I have this thing like 7-8 years. I mean, it hasn't really given me problems, but after watching JK18's video about how his Iowa system, crap, it kind of like made me wonder. It's like I've had this for so long and it seems like it's not as loud as it should be. Plus the tape deck never worked right, so, and plus only one audio in. So I kind of need one with more. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean out this little mess right here, slide the amp in, and then we'll see what we got. Okay, I got the one signal in. As you can tell, there's room for more. One pair of the speakers hook up these realistics, and if those JBL speakers, and if it turned, you know, I think I'm probably going to use the JBL speakers anyway. I mean, as much as I love to keep the realistic, yeah, but point is, as you notice, it's switched, so it might have a little thing back there, so I know I have one somewhere. So let me continue on and hope for the best. Well, it seems I ran into a roadblock of sorts, because apparently it's just a hair too wide. So I'm going to have to move this little thing. I'm already started to take off the little itchy thingies off the DVD player, which I may just put away because I don't use it much anymore. So, because I kind of want this amp. We'll see what we got. Well, I got something. I mean, I thought I had on video 1, but it's on video 2, but no big deal. Got my jukebox going and my headphones on, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause this and see what we got. I'm probably going to get copyright, but... Okay. Well, I got something. Yeah. Sometimes I wonder if I'm going crazy. Still needs a little bit of work, but it's something. But I still got this mess to worry about. Whether or not I want to keep that DVD player. Turns out that fan was screeching. It's like, I didn't get any oil. So, I got something. More later. Well, this is the best I can do. I mean, I'm going to need a little something to... or find a narrower shelf cabinet or something, but yeah, being held by a Poison CD. The fan is right there, so at least I know there'll be some air going into this amp. I'm already probably going to get letters saying about, you can't put all that stuff on top of it, you need everything to breathe and stuff, and it's just going to melt and blah blah blah. It's like, mistakes learned and mistakes will be noted. As Rainbow Decker. But yeah, like I said, it's a start, but it's not perfect. But of course, nothing in my life is, but we make do. Yep. And forget, here's the interesting thing. Video 1, tuner, CD, phono, tape 1, video 2, video 1. And here's how you change the frequency, the graphic equalizer and whatnot, so... yeah. So I guess that's going to do it for this video of the $10 gamble with this Kenwood stereo amplifier model KA-891. It'll continue being a work in progress in this corner. So until next time, I'm Eskie, thanks for watching, and the comment box is open. Something I've read. I stood at the store.